We are checking out the massive array of hardware leaps arriving with the new iPhone 18 Pro Max. The headlining camera feature this year is a true mechanical variable aperture built directly into the main sensor. Apple has reportedly figured out how to shift secondary facial recognition sensors right beneath the display glass. The company is permanently leaving Qualcomm behind to debut their own custom-engineered C2 5G modems. If you want the best of the best, the high-end Pro series is rumored to launch all by itself this fall. The brand new LTPO display panel introduces a premium anti-reflective coating that beautifully cuts down outdoor glares. The heart of this beast relies on a groundbreaking 2-nanometer processing architecture named the A20 Pro chip. To effortlessly crunch advanced on-device AI tasks, Apple is making 12 gigabytes of fast RAM the new standard. Accommodating these advanced camera mechanics and bigger parts means a slight modification to the frame's depth. That slightly modified phone frame allows Apple to squeeze in a massive 5100 mAh battery. Mobile filmmakers will have all the room they need, with premium options scaling up to 2 full terabytes. With a variable lens, custom modem, and raw 2-nanometer power, are you pre-ordering this beast this fall?